Yo, what's up with you, world? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm out here trying to do some content. You know what I'm saying? Taking videos of airplanes or whatnot that's coming out of the airport over here at Loverfield, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Seems like every time I go set up somewhere or whatnot, there's always a motherfucker around me. I hate that shit. You know what I'm saying? You know, like damn. It's early as fuck in the morning, man. Why I can't just be out here by my damn self? You know? Like literally. Why can't I just be out here by my damn self? There's always somebody around you that's looking at you, wondering what you doing. Man, I'm minding my business. I mean, this is a public levee. You know, people come up here walking, exercise and stuff, but well, man, I don't got time to be saying hi to folks. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here working right now. I'm out here working for a living. You know, they say you gotta treat this doing this content like a job. I'm trying to treat it like a job right now. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to treat this as a job, as my part. Well, it ain't. Well, it's my full-time job too, cause I work second shift. That's 8 hours. So I'm trying to treat this. I'm trying to put up more content and do more things to let y'all a little bit, into my life a little bit. But I'm just out here just waiting on these planes to start flying. I already caught one of them. I already got one. But this sitting up just in the sun, man, ain't no joke, man. You gotta be committed to do this shit. It ain't easy. It ain't easy. Wish I had some shade somewhere around here, but it's just open air. It's open sunlight right here in this spot. But dang, I just want to be up here by my damn self right now. But it's all good. We gonna make it happen regardless. Oh boy. Like I said, just waiting on planes right now. Just waiting on the airplanes. Alright? I love this camera. The Osmo 3 DJI. Get it at the Best Buy. They should be like about $600 or $700 right now. Look like this person got on a dress. Man, you never know who you're gonna meet around these places. You really don't. Boy. These planes better hurry up and start flying, I know that. Shit. Can't be out here all day. I'm gonna turn into some damn bacon. I'm gonna turn into some bacon out here. For real. Come on, plane. Let's get it going. I already got one. Man, I got 335 subscribers. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, clicking the button to subscribe to me. I appreciate it. I really do. Thank you so very much. I'm just trying to bring y'all good content. My content basically is everything right now because I'm into everything. I like every damn thing. But I'll figure it out one day. Let me put my mic on. Hello? This should make it a little better. Yeah. There we go. Y'all can hear me now. Had to say hello. Yeah, just waiting on planes, man. That's all I can do right now. Just waiting on the planes to start flying. It is 8:09 a.m. It's Friday morning, Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm over here on the levee, over here by level field, right here on this horizon right here. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is a good one right here. This is gonna be a good one. Yes, sir. Yeah, you gotta be quick with it. That's one thing about these planes, boy. You got to be quick with it, cause they come up real quick. I'm talking about they come quick. They come out of nowhere. They come out of nowhere real quick. Let me throw this on YouTube. See what I do? I hurry up and throw it on YouTube. I take the video of it and hurry up and throw it on YouTube. I know, see, usually I just be quiet. I'm gonna be quiet with the next one. I just let the plane talk for me, but I said something. Let me hurry up and throw this on YouTube before the next one come. Cause they gonna start coming. They gonna start coming. I think I hear one right now. I gotta hurry up. I think I hear one right now. I gotta hurry up. I got to hurry up. Okay. That's on YouTube. It's that quick. Real quick and fast. That's how you want to operate when you're trying to do planes, when you're trying to spot these airplanes. Real quick and fast, because they gonna start coming like that. I'm gonna try to do at least 20 today. Y'all didn't see one, but I already put 2 on there, so this will be the 3rd one. This will be number 3. Cause they gonna start coming pretty soon here. They gonna start rolling. You just gotta hurry up and get it. You got to hurry up and get it. Cause if you don't, it's all the way over there by that. Cause they gonna come right up here on the horizon. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how they gonna come up. Let me turn the camera around. They come up right there. They gonna just start coming up. Bam, bam. So I gotta be quick about it. I got to be quick about it. And I'm gonna show you a couple of them too when they start rolling. Let you know I ain't just up here just to dilly around. I'm up here actually trying to get some footage of these planes. And this is free. Sometimes you gotta use your resources where they free at. And this is a free resource where I can like look at the plane, take video, put it on YouTube, and that's content. And that's all it is content. That's all you gotta do, just man, whatever kind of content you into, man, make sure it's free. Cause ain't free content gonna cost you. This content I'm doing is free. And it's going pretty good, to be honest with you. It get me subscribers. So that's what I need right now. I need y'all to click subscribe to this channel, and let's keep on building this channel up to what I and you can think it be. You know what I'm saying? But I tell you, just sitting up in this sun like this, this ain't easy, man. It's hard work, man. Then I got to go to work later on today too. Shit. This hard work. But hey, man, I like doing it, man. I like doing it. So I got 2 so far, man. They gonna start flying here in a minute, hopefully. It is 8:14. I'll probably leave here about 9 o'clock. Before I turn to some bacon. Man, Lord. You know what else? See, I bought my smokes too, so I ain't just out here looking crazy. I gotta get my nicotine in too. Gotta feed my habit. I think somebody coming on the other end now. Let's see. It's like, man, you just can never just be out here by your damn self. Gotta be somebody out here with you. Talking about early in the morning too, man. Early in the motherfucking morning, man. I think they on a bike or something. See, my whole thing, I don't want to be out here, you know, people be thinking, man, what the hell dude out there doing? He look crazy. It ain't that, I just, you know, this right here is a good spot to take this kind of content. If you're gonna take content in Chattanooga about planes, you know, this is a perfect spot, because this is where they take off from. You know, I could have stayed at the crib and did it, because when at the crib, at home, I got planes coming over me, you know, like they about to go land, but this right here, they taking off. So, just waiting. That's all you can do is wait. That's all you can do is wait. Waiting on content. But this content is free. Like I told you, it's free. Free content. So, guess y'all can wait with me too. Early bird gets the worm. But the thing about it, man, sometimes just to come up here and just hear the birds, just hear the, you know, the creatures, the sounds, man, it's a good feeling. It's a peaceful feeling, man. Just peaceful. It really is. It's very peaceful up here. Very peaceful. That's all I do, man. Just wait. That's it. Just waiting. Just waiting. Like I said, you gotta be quick on the draw though, but you just wait. Just wait on something to happen. That's why I brought these right here, for I can be waiting, for I can be doing something. Yeah, there go. It look like somebody about to come this way. Uh-oh, here come one. Here come one. I'm gonna have to be quiet on this one. Come another one. Two of them back to back. Two of them back to back. That was 2 of them back to back. That's a good one there when you get 2 of them back to back. Oh man, here come another one. Darn it. Here come another one. I told you. Did I tell you? Did I tell you? Yep. That was what? That was 3 off top. Like I told you, this is the spot. This is a good spot to get this kind of content. Great spot. Now I gotta hurry up and put it on YouTube. Gotta hurry up, gotta hurry up. Gotta hurry up. Because there's gonna be another one coming pretty soon. Oh man, damn. Like I said, you got to be quick out here. You got to be quick on the draw. And I wasn't quick on it, but I heard it, man. I got about 25 seconds of it. Now I got to hurry up. Like I told you, you got to hurry up and do this shit, man. Good morning. All right. Good morning. They gonna call the police on my ass. Like, what the hell this motherfucker doing out here? But anyway, hey, it's content, man. I gotta get it out. Gotta get this content out, man. Gotta hurry up. Hurry up before the... So that was 2, that 3. Oh man, here come another one. I think I hear one. I gotta hurry up. Gotta hurry up. Video. Like I said, you gotta hurry up when you're doing this, boy. Because you don't want to miss nothing. Okay, upload that. Damn. Got this other one. Gotta hurry up. That one. Upload that. Gotta hurry up. Cause I told you, you're gonna miss out, man. You're gonna miss out. This is, like I said, this is a perfect spot to get all the things you need. Perfect spot. Okay, shorts, video. So I done did, what's that? 3, 1. I think I did what, about 6 or 5 already. So them going on YouTube. Here come another one. Here come another one. Let me get this one. Did I tell you? Did I tell you once it's on, it's on? I can fuck around and get about 20 of them right now. Yeah. See, I gotta hurry up now. I gotta hurry up. It's like a race. It's like a race, man. 7. Damn, there go another one. Oh man, a little speedster too. Let me hurry up and get this one. Woo. But like I said before, I'm gonna let y'all see. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, you see it? Hey, they going. They going. They going. Did I tell you? Did I tell you? You thought I was playing. I'm telling you the truth. This is a great spot. My problem is I gotta hurry up and put it on here. I gotta hurry up. Spot me. Oh. Like I said, man, you got to be quick about it. You got to be quick about it. Like I say, this is free content. I ain't have to pay to do none of this. So, free is free. So you got to take free. I'm taking free every day. I'm going to take free every day. Oh man, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Woo-wee. Look at that. Oh man. That's a pretty good big one. Yeah, buddy. Like I said, you gotta be You gotta be quick about it. You got to be quick about it. I can't get it on my other phone because I'm still trying to put, stuff up or whatever. But you got to be quick about it. You got to be quick about it. You got to be quick about it. All right, let me see where I'm at. You got to be quick about it. Because they go up real quick. That one thing about planes, man, they go up real quick. Got to figure out what I got up here and what I don't. Okay, 37. All right, put this up. Here come another one. I hear it. Let me turn the camera around, let you see. Because it's going too fast for me now. And I can't even find it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, like I said, they go too fast for me sometimes. So I gotta hurry up. Put it on. Gotta hurry up, put it on. Oh shit. Gotta hurry up, put it on. Cause they coming now. Them people trying to get what they trying to get. Them folks trying to get what they trying to get. Try to put this other one on right quick. Then put this on right quick. Cause they come, oh man. Hey, like I said, they coming now. I'm missing them, but hey, at least I'm catching them like this. At least I'm catching them live like this. You know? At least I'm doing that. At least I'm catching them live. You know? Man, like I said, they too quick for me. They are too quick for me sometimes. But I'm glad I got my other camera. I'm glad I'm recording it like this. It's just something I need to know. Something I needed to know, now I know. One day I want to get a thing where I can just hold right here. Man, I'm gonna miss this one too, shit. Let's see, let's do it. Let's see it. Yeah, I need to get me like a stand. Need to get like a stand like about right here or something. Just to have it just facing this for about an hour or two, just to catch them when they leaving out. If I could just catch them when they leaving out, man, that'll be some good video, some good content. Be some great content, you know? Instead of, doing this back and forth, Cause it's not easy. It's not easy, boy. But I'm learning. Put this one up on the YouTube channel. Click subscribe to this channel. Click and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so very much for all that you do. All right. I put all my little shorts on that I had, but I'm glad that I caught what I caught. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad you got to see some of it too. So I'm back doing the YouTube shorts again. Let me get up and get this one. All right. All right. Boy. Fix this camera. Man. That was probably like what? Probably about 10 already. right? That was about 10 already, probably. Man, they was going quick. It's hard to, you know, I'm trying to film their shorts there, and I said, man, I'm gonna just turn the camera around, let y'all see some of this too. Let me put this one on here. It's been a while since I came up here, to be honest with you. It's been a minute. Cause I ain't wanna look crazy to the people walking back and forth and like, man, what the hell dude doing, you know? But it is what it is, man. This is free content. It's something I like doing. So I do it. And I want y'all to see some of the things I like to do. Plus I'm getting out the house, I'm getting some sun, walking a little bit. There go one right there, but hey, I'm just gonna miss it. It's not a real big one, so it is what it is. All right now. People come by and say hello to you. I guess they know who I am. That's the airplane guy. That's the airplane guy. He come look at the planes. And you know, one day this might pay off. One day it might be worth it, but man, if it never pays off, it's okay. You know, sometimes I do these YouTubes just to, really for my children. Just to, you know, it's almost like a video catalog, you know, of their daddy. You know, what they daddy was doing at a certain time, because YouTube gonna be here forever. And so they can look back and say, hey, that's my daddy right there, you know? They can see on, like if I'm 90 years old or whatever, they can see what I look like at this age I am right now in 2026, which is 49. I'm old, but hey, it is what it is. But yeah, I look at it like it's a video catalog that my, oh man, this is a good one. I'm gonna miss it though. Yeah, you gotta be quick on the draw. Like I said, you gotta be quick, man. You can't play around. You cannot play around because they go up. They go up just like clockwork, man. They go up. And most of the time I miss most all of them, to be honest with you. I mean, this airport, man, it rolls, but I want to go down to Atlanta's airport. And I know it's gonna be so many bigger planes. I know it's gonna be so many bigger planes, man. And I can imagine, because Atlanta is the biggest. Hopkins, I believe it's called. I think it's called Hopkins. I'm not for sure, but it's the biggest airport in America. So one of these days I'm gonna take a trip on down there, man. Find a good spot. Boy, it's gonna be beautiful to see that. Remember that, click subscribe to this channel, click and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so very much for the people who do. Tell a friend, tell somebody, hey, that's a pretty good dude right there. Click subscribe to him. Click and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so very much for the people who already did. Just tell somebody, man, help a brother out, because I'm trying to get to Florida. I'm trying to get to Florida. And if I never make it, guess what? I tried. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, like I told you, you got to be quick on the draw. I probably just need to just leave it just like this. Probably just need to leave it just like this, because they coming now. They are coming now. But it is beautiful up here though, man. It really is. But like I said, man, when people be walking by, I be wondering what they be thinking. Now, what the hell he's up there for? The hell he's doing? Man, I ain't doing nothing but taking video planes, man. This is the content I do. It's free content. Shit. Very free. I like free. I like free. Just like clicking and subscribing. Only thing you gotta do when you click and subscribe is smash that button. That's it. That button right there that you see, you just smash that button. That means you clicking and you subscribing to my channel. You're gonna see great content, you know. I'm a man about everything. I do it all, somewhat, you know. Take you on a boat ride. I'm a food critic. You know, do about everything. You know, about everything. So, what time is it? It is, I'm gonna give you 20 more minutes, man, and that's it. Cause it's getting damn hot as hell out here. It's getting hot out here. Just waiting on another plane. That was probably up about 20 planes so far. Morning. People like saying good morning, even though you said good morning already, but hey, say good morning again. Man, today was a great day. Great content. Today was a great day. Great, good, positive day to get some content. Oh, I think I hear one. Man, I like to get a good big one, man. I want to get a big one. That's what I want. I'll be waiting. See, if I go to Atlanta, I know I'm going to get like 30 big ones in an hour. You know, it ain't going to be this little shit that I'm getting here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. But if I go to Atlanta, I'm going to go to Atlanta one day, man, on the weekend. Well, I need to go on a weekday because it'd be more traffic. Go on a weekday, find a good spot, man, and just get it. If y'all know some places, you know, in America, man, put it in the comments, man. Let me know, and I'll pull it up and get some more good content. For real, get some more good content. Cause that's what it's all about, man. Feeding a need that need to be had. You know, feeling a need that need to be had. Cause you wouldn't be looking at this if I wasn't feeling that need that you needed to be had. For real. I done did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 just in YouTube shorts right now. And I probably did about 5 or 6 or something on this, you know, the feed I got going on right now. Yeah, I got about 17 more minutes and I got to get up. About 17 more minutes and I got to get up and get out this sun. It'll be an hour, so that's good for an hour. It's free, an hour that was free of good content. That's what I needed. Then when I go home, like I told you, I got planes that flies over my apartment. So I'll probably do about 5 or 6, probably try to do at least 10 a day, do at least 10 of them. And put that on the YouTube, on YouTube Shorts or whatever. And just keep on going from there, man.